Facebook helps. Sharing your video to Facebook helps, Aiden. Yeah, so you can share them on Facebook groups or on your personal profile or on Reddit, for example. Just make sure you always have to think about who is watching your video, like your audience, right? And making sure that your audience is the same as, like, if your Facebook audience or your Reddit audience is the same as your YouTube audience, because you don't want to feed your audience fake or like not fake, but another audience that you're targeting with your niche, basically. All right. Top 10 channels can be anything. So yeah, definitely still works. Yeah, but I wouldn't do like top 10 random channels with like everything, you know, like just throw shit in there basically, and it can be anything. All right, I'm gonna continue for now. We're gonna get in the Q&A section later when I will unmute you, and you can ask your questions in person. That's more fun.